Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on piano for beginners. We'll start by exploring some of the game's most iconic and accessible tunes, perfect for those just beginning their musical journey. You'll learn essential techniques like proper hand positioning and how to read basic sheet music. Our goal is to make learning fun and achievable, helping you master your favorite Undertale melodies one note at a time. Get ready to bring the magic of Undertale to your fingertips. Before diving into specific songs, let's cover some fundamental piano techniques. Understanding basic music theory, like note values and time signatures, is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the keyboard layout, especially finding middle C, your central anchor. Regular practice of simple scales and arpeggios will significantly improve your finger strength and coordination. These foundational skills are your building blocks for playing any piece, including the wonderful music from Undertale. Now, let's focus on bringing Undertale's enchanting melodies to life. Begin with simplified arrangements of well-known tracks, such as Fallen Down or Home. It's helpful to break down longer pieces into smaller, more manageable sections, practicing each part individually before combining them. Many excellent online resources and beginner-friendly sheet music are available to guide you. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will yield remarkable progress. Consistent practice is the key to mastering any instrument, and the piano is no exception. Aim for short, focused practice sessions, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes each day, rather than one long session weekly. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insight into your progress and highlight areas needing more attention. Most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning and celebrate every small victory. Your dedication will soon have you playing your favorite Undertale tunes beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.